It's a pleasant day. Great morning to all of you.
Very great morning.
Myself, Vanshika. I study in 11th class. First of all, I want to say thanks to our class in charge, Mrs. Aarti ma'am, for providing me such a nice chance to speak here in front of you. Today, I am here to speak on an important topic, which is a major threat to children's rights, and that is child labor. Child labor is a crime in which children are forced to work at a very young age. It is considered to be as illegal activity because children at the age of 5 to 15 are not yet ready to work anywhere. It is sad to see the age at which they should enjoy their childhood are forced to work and enter adulthood. Millions of children are forced to work, which have robbed them of having a happy childhood, education, and a good future. Child labor remains a challenge to the happiness of the children. According to the report of International Labour Organization 2018, child labor has been reducing day by day, but it is still found in many developing countries such as India, Sri Lanka, etc. Now, the question arises in all of us our mind is that what is the condition of child labor in our country? There are about 13 million children who are engaged in child labor in India. When children are employed such a young age, their chances to go to school and complete their education are highly impossible. India is a developing country. In spite of this, our Indian economic boom, 1/3 of Indians live below the poverty line. This is the main and primary reason of child labor in our country. The people in such condition don't have food to eat, so they make their children work so that they can earn their livelihood and end up their requirements. The Indian government had passed a law in 1993 forbidding dangerous work for children under the age of 18. In spite of this, people exploit the law as there are many loopholes in the system, such as Indian corrupted government officers. In 2006 and 16, the rules were tightened to ensure that children under the age of 15 should not be used as domestic helps in hotels and restaurants. Through this speech, I want to conclude that the government and citizen play an important role in ending child labor in our country. The government should tighten the rules and punishment should be changed from fine to prison. It is our responsibility to end up poverty as it is the primary reason of child labor in our country. The government should ensure that free food and free education should be provided to the children, and a movement should be organized so that their parents could see brighter side for educating them. A child should be tracked if he or she is not attending the school. And lastly, I want to say that as a citizen, this is our responsibility to report abuse against a child. Thank you and have a nice day.